Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a sliding door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including screwdrivers and a trim removal tool. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the sliding door is fully open. Finally, make sure you have the correct replacement handle for your specific model before beginning the process. This preparation saves time and effort. Now, let's remove the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel with a trim removal tool, revealing the internal components. Once the panel is off, disconnect any electrical connectors that are attached to the handle mechanism. Finally, unbolt the entire old handle assembly from the door frame, making sure to keep track of all fasteners for reassembly. This step requires patience. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new handle assembly into place and secure it firmly with the bolts you removed earlier. Next, reconnect all electrical wiring to the new handle unit, ensuring a snug fit for each connector. Before putting everything back together, test the new handle's functionality to confirm it operates correctly. This ensures a successful installation. To finish up, reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips align and snap securely into place. Once the panel is back on, perform a final check. Verify that the door opens and closes smoothly from both the inside and outside. This confirms your new handle is working perfectly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, especially after a DIY project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.